How to create complex photo manipulations in Photoleap. First of all, open the Photoleap app and wait for it to fully load. Next, tap on Edit Photo and choose the base image from your gallery that you want to start manipulating. Now, use the Cutout tool to remove backgrounds or isolate subjects. You can use the auto fetcher to quickly select people or background, or use the erase and restore tools for more precise selections. Once you have isolated a subject, tap on Add, then choose another image layer to combine with your current tone. This lets you stack multiple images and start creating a surreal or composite look. You can use your fingers to move, rotate, or resize each layer manually by pinching and dragging it on the screen. This helps you place every piece exactly where you want in the overall design. To blend images naturally, explore filters, or even use AI background to match lighting and tone between layers. You can also enhance each layer individually using tools like Adjust, Colorize, or AI Expand to reshape and extend your composition creatively. Take your time layering, blending, and aligning different elements until you create the desired manipulated effect. Once your complex composition is complete, tap the check mark to apply changes. Finally, tap the save icon at the top right to export or share your finished image. And that's it. Now you know how to create complex photo manipulations in Photoleap. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.